period, I will to show you the topic DNA, molecule of genetics. The meaning in Thai DNA สารพันธุกรรมสำหรับนะครับลักษณะของโมเลกุล In this topic to show you the DNA, you have the cycle of DNA. You have the cycle of DNA. The DNA has the name deoxyribonucleic acid. Very good. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Nucleic acid. Or DNA. Or DNA. The deoxyribonucleic acid have the chemical substance in organism. The chemical substance of organism. Chemical substance of organism. Okay. The calling time เป็นสารเคมีที่พบในสิ่งมีชีวิต Okay? The chemical substance of organism. What the position has found DNA? What the position has found DNA? In cell. Nucleus. Very good. DNA found in nucleus. DNA found in nucleus. That's right. DNA found in nucleus. The organism has the DNA in nucleus. The organism has DNA in nucleus. The nucleus has the content or center in the cell. The center in the cell called nucleus. You understand this? Yes. What the importance of the DNA? What the importance of the DNA? Importance of the DNA. You have a DNA? Yes. You have a DNA. What the importance of the DNA? What the importance? The importance of the DNA is control character. Okay? Control character. You have a different character. You have a different DNA. You have a different character. You have a different DNA. The DNA has the importance to control the character of species. The control character of species. The control character of species is the function of DNA. Is the function of DNA, the control character of species. Okay? Dog have the same or different DNA cat. Different or same? Different. Dog have the different of cat. Okay? The DNA of dog, different DNA of cat. Okay? That's the function of DNA to control character of species. Repeat after me. Control character of species. That's very good. Control character of species. Okay. You see the next slide. Look at this picture. Okay. You tell me whole picture 2 minutes. Look at this picture.
Structure of
DNA. Very good. Structure of DNA. Okay? Structure of DNA. You can write in your sheet. Structure of DNA. Call in Thai โครงสร้างของ DNA. Okay? Structure of DNA. What is structure of DNA? What is structure of DNA?
double helix.
Double helix. Very good. Double helix. The structure of DNA is double helix. helix. The structure of DNA is the double helix. Okay? The double helix. And you can see ATCG. You can see? Yes. What is this? ATCG. What is this? The code of genetics. Very good. Code of genetics. Code of genetics. ATCG. ATCG. That's the code of genetics. What is an A? What is an A? Adenine. What is a T? Thymine. What is a G? Cytosine. What is a G? Guanine. That's the ATCG. Okay? Repeat after me. Code of genetics. Code of genetics. Okay, that's right. Code of genetics. ATCG. Okay? ATCG. ATCG. Okay. The ATCG has the genetic code of the organism. Okay. What is this? Chromosome. That you highlight this word chromosome. You highlight this word chromosome, and you cycle in this chromatic. That's right, chromatic. You cycle in this chromatic. You cycle this in this chromatic, and you point in this centromere. You point. This is centromere. You point. This is centromere. And the last one is chromatin. Very good. Chromatin. You write this word chromatin. And you point this one. Histone protein. You point this one, histone protein. Very good. You have an excellent word in genetics. You have an excellent word in genetics. You can see this picture and you detail this. That's the right answer. Very good. Okay, this to show you the quick video of the DNA. You can see this.
DNA is the instruction manual for how to build life. From microbes to plants to human beings, it defines us all. The complete set of instructions encoded in an organism's DNA is called its genome and is passed from parent to offspring during reproduction. Information is stored in DNA using just 4 types of molecule which occur in pairs. There are billions of these pairs, organized in a double helix structure that is both strong and compact. These pairs also allow each strand to act as a backup for the other, a remarkably efficient way to safeguard this precious genetic information. DNA folds into paired packages called chromosomes that are stored in the nucleus of the cell. Different species have different numbers of chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs. Chromosomes contain many genes. A gene is a section of DNA that holds the instructions for a protein. Proteins are essential for life and perform a huge variety of jobs, from controlling the function of a single cell to determining the shape of a whole organism. Within a species, each organism has very similar DNA. In human beings, the difference between one person and another is a fraction of 1%. But it's what makes us individuals, giving us different facial features, hair color, and height. The uniqueness of our DNA can be used like a fingerprint to identify us with an extraordinary degree of accuracy. By reading DNA, scientists have discovered that we share sequences not just with our own species, but with every other living thing on Earth. Chimpanzees, one of our closest living relatives, share about 96% of our DNA. But we also have genes in common with fish, plants, and bacteria. Powerful evidence that all life came from a single universal ancestor billions of years ago. We haven't just learned to read the instruction manual for life, we can rewrite it as well. People have been manipulating DNA since before we knew it existed, selectively breeding plants and animals to bring out desirable traits. Now, genetic engineering allows us to directly alter DNA in a lab, creating new varieties of life. From plants that can resist disease or drought, to bacteria that can mass-produce life-saving hormones. But we don't yet know what all of DNA does. Lengthy sequences make no proteins at all, and have perhaps mistakenly been labelled junk. Some people are worried about these gaps in our knowledge and unforeseen problems they believe genetically modified organisms may cause. What's clear is that the instruction manual for life is more subtle, elegant, and complex than we could have possibly imagined. DNA has revealed many of its secrets, but we still have much to learn.
Okay, you can see this video. Can you tell me what is genome? Can you tell me what is genome in this quick video? What is genome? What is genome? What is genome? Genome is the total DNA. What is total? Total DNA. Call in Thai DNA ทั้งหมด Okay? Genome is the total DNA in organism. In organism. Call in Thai DNA ทั้งหมดในสิ่งมีชีวิต That is genome. That is genome. DNA ทั้งหมดในสิ่งมีชีวิต or the total DNA of organism. The total DNA in organism. Okay. The total DNA in organism. Okay. That's called genome. That's called genome. The another word in this script video is the DNA fingerprint. DNA fingerprint. What is DNA fingerprint? What is DNA fingerprint? ลายนิ้วมือ That's called in Thai ลายนิ้วมือ What is the importance of ลายนิ้วมือ The importance of ลายนิ้วมือ Specific or general? Specific or general? Each student or call in Thai นักเรียนแต่ละคนมีลายนิ้วมือเหมือนกันไหม That is specific or general? That's specific characters. Specific characters. พอ in Thai เป็นเอกลักษณ์เฉพาะบุคคล DNA fingerprint. Repeat after me. DNA fingerprint. DNA fingerprint. Okay, that's the specific character. That's the specific character. That specific character same or different in student. Difference in student. Okay, each student has the different DNA fingerprint. The DNA fingerprint that characterize call in Thai เอกลักษณ์บุคคล characterize call in Thai เอกลักษณ์บุคคล The DNA fingerprint has the high technology enough to characterize each from the orders. Each from the order. The example you have the DNA fingerprint. You can specific character. Okay? You can specific character. You can see the slide in your sheet. You can see the slide in your sheet. Okay. The next one. You highlight this. Deoxyribose. Deoxyribose nucleic acids. Deoxyribose nucleic acids. Deoxyribose nucleic acids. What's the name of deoxyribose? DNA, okay, DNA. That's the component of sugar. You can write it sugar, pentose sugar. You can write this pentose sugar. Pentose sugar. What is the pentose sugar? 1C, 2C, 4C, 5C. 5C, very good, 5C. As the pentose sugar 5C, you can write this picture 5C, okay? 5C, that's called pentose sugar. In DNA, that's the name of deoxyribose. The name DNA of the deoxyribose has the pentose sugar in this picture. In this picture, okay? You understand this? Yes, okay, you understand this. And DNA, you can highlight this. DNA control all chemical chains. DNA control all the chemical chains. DNA control the chemical chains. The DNA control chemical chain, you like this word gene. You like this word gene. Gene. The DNA to control the chemical chains. This word called gene. This word called gene. What is a gene? What is a gene? What is a gene? Gene on the chromosome. Okay. พออินไทยยีนพบอยู่บนโครโมโซม โอเค พออินไทยยีนพบอยู่บนโครโมโซม Chromosome. Gene on the chromosome. Gene on the chromosome. That's the function to control the characteristic of organisms. Okay? From the function to control the characteristic of organisms. Okay, this gene on the chromosome. Gene on the chromosome. Okay, the another one controlled by DNA. Controlled by DNA. Controlled by DNA. And you like this word character. You like this word character. You like this word character. Thananont, Trishadaporn had the same or different character? Different character. What the reasons of the different character? What the reason? They have same or different DNA. Same or different DNA? Different DNA, okay? Different DNA, different control, different character. Different DNA, different control, different characters. Okay? That's the main idea to function of DNA. That's the idea to function DNA. What is the picture? That's called the structure of double helix. Very good. You can write this double helix. You can write this double helix of DNA. You can write this double helix of DNA.